I've created an incredible strategy that reached a mind-blowing 2,985% profit, and the icing on the cake is simple and easy to implement using just two user-friendly indicators with straightforward rules. To get started, head over to the TradingView.com and pick a chart that catches your eye. Forex, crypto, or stocks. It's entirely up to you. Next, select the time frame. For this walkthrough, we'll be using 15-minute Bitcoin chart. Our strategy revolves around an outstanding indicator called the Trend Magic. To kick things off, head over to the indicator section on the TradingView.com and search for Trend Magic and add it to your chart. The Trend Magic indicator is a game changer, combining the commodity channel index CCI and the average true range ATR indicators. You'll notice a line on the chart that changes color according to the market conditions. When the line turns blue, it suggests a buy signal, and when it turns red, it signals a potential sell signal. To get the most out of the Magic Trend indicator and maintain a clean chart, we'll need to optimize the settings of the indicator. Don't worry, these adjustments are simple and will optimize the indicator's performance. Now, a confirmation indicator is needed, but before we move on to using a confirmation indicator, we've got some fantastic updates for you. Here at TradeGenius, we've been working hard to develop over 300 successful trading strategies, each one tailored to various trading styles. To discover these strategies and find the perfect fit for your trading approach, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and explore our carefully crafted content. And if you found this video helpful so far, we would truly appreciate if you could give us a like. Your support means a lot to us and keeps us motivated to create more valuable contents for traders like you. Now let's move on to the next step. Selecting a confirmation indicator that complements our strategy. We'll be using an amazing confirmation indicator known as 2 EMA plus 2 SMA. Adding it to your chart is super easy. Just search for the 2 EMA plus 2 SMA in the indicator section and add it with a click. The 2 EMA plus 2 SMA indicator combines the strengths of 2 exponential moving averages and 2 simple moving averages, providing you with a reliable tool to confirm market trends and filter out false signals. To optimize the indicator, we need to tweak the settings to display only 3 moving averages. Follow these simple steps. Locate the indicator settings by clicking on the gear icon next to its title. In the input section, leave the first EMA unchanged since we're going to disable it, as we won't be using it in the strategy. Then set the EMA2 to 45 and ensure the source is set to close. After that, modify the SMA1 to 90 and the SMA2 to 180. Now navigate to the style section and disable the MA1 to focus on the remaining 3 moving averages. Feel free to customize the color and thickness of the moving averages according to your preferences. Now, with your indicators in place and to execute profitable sell trade using the strategy, adhere to use these simple effective rules. First, always trade in the direction of the downtrend. Verify that the EMA 45 is below the SMA 90 and the SMA 90 is below the SMA 200. Additionally, ensure the price candles are below all moving average lines to avoid trading against the trend. After that, once you establish a downtrend, watch for a sell signal. This occurs when the trend magic line changes color from blue to red, indicating a potential downtrend. So when you have a sell signal aligned with the market's downtrend, it's time to enter a sell order. And to protect your investment, set a stop loss using one of the moving average lines as a reference point. And to exit the trade and secure your profits, use a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. let's discuss how to make profitable buy trades using our easy-to-follow strategy. Always remember to trade in the direction of the uptrend, ensuring that the EMA 45 is above the SMA 90 and the SMA 90 is above the SMA 200. Confirm that the price candles are above all the moving average lines to avoid trading against the trend. Next, look for a buy signal on the chart. This occurs when the trend magic line changes its color from red to blue, indicating a potential uptrend. Once you have buy signal aligned with the market's uptrend, it's time to enter a buy trade. And to manage risk and protect your investment, set a stop loss using one of the moving average lines as a reference point. And when it comes to exit the trade in profit, use a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Alright, now you know the trading rules, but we've got some fantastic news to share. We put our strategy to the test on the Bitcoin chart using a 15-minute time frame and a dependable risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. The outcome? Brace yourself for some seriously impressive numbers. Out of 300 trades, we achieved an exceptional 67% win rate and outstanding total profit of 2,985%. Throughout the 35-week testing period, our strategy demonstrated its prowess with an incredible streak of 16 consecutive wins while keeping consecutive losses to a mere 8. But wait, there's more. The profit factor, which compares profit to loss, scored an impressive 3.16, while the max drawdown remained low at just 8.24%. These results underscore the strategy's potential effectiveness when applied to real-world trading situations. With such remarkable findings, we're thrilled for you to explore this strategy further and experience its benefit in your own trading endeavors. Get ready to elevate your trading game to new heights with this powerful approach.